Hi guys, welcome to Orit's Kitchen, and I'm Orit. Okay, so welcome to my show. Before we start, I want to tell you that I'm not a professional cook, so if some things are a bit unclear, I'm sorry. Now, Gabby, come on over here. Okay guys, so I'm not sure if you guys seen this. I posted this a while back, okay? This is the Google Nest Hub, okay? This is my daughter Ariana when she was 2 years old. So what I want to show you is this. Okay, Google, play Orit's Kitchen on YouTube.
Playing Orit's Kitchen on YouTube.
Bam, guys, take a look at that, right? No more excuses. Look at me, I'm right here in my own kitchen. You guys can do it too. Okay, look guys, I'm right here with you. You guys can get something like this, or you guys can get your iPad, let's say, put it in your kitchen, watch me while you're doing it at the same time with me, okay? No excuses, I'm right there, okay? So again, this is called the Google Nest Hub. It's awesome. You can play music, things like that with it too, okay? So come on over here. Today we're going to be making a cake. I like to call it an orange cake, orange flavored cake, okay? This is a big shout out to my sister-in-law, Sippy. She's the one who introduced me to this recipe. It's fantastic. It's just it's not too orangey, it's a nice little mixture of flavor. It's a hit for guests or even for you guys. Kid friendly, of course. You can make it with your kids. It's from scratch, okay? And you know, it's just really great. And so shout out to Sippy, who allowed me to show this to you guys today on my YouTube channel, okay? So let's get started, okay? So we have a couple of ingredients here, and as I'm going, I will tell you what I'm putting in here, okay? So the first thing is we have 5 eggs, guys, okay? 5 eggs. And we're going to be putting that first, and we're going to be putting 1.5 cup of sugar, which is right here, okay? And we're going to make sure that everything is mixed well, okay? And as we go, we're going to be adding a cup of oil. I just put my basic grapeseed oil, 1 cup of that. We have 2 cups of flour right over here. And we have 1/2 cup of fresh squeezed orange juice. And I'm going to be taking all the zest out of this orange right here, okay? And we also have 1 tablespoon of baking powder, okay? So I'm going to be adding all of these ingredients in the mixture here, okay? And again, if some things are, you know, really, wait, what did I do? What do I need to buy? You can always rewind me. And also on the bottom of my YouTube channel, when you click the little arrow, I'll have a shopping list, and you can easily just have everything there, okay? So let's get started. All right, so let's put this down. I just got this, you guys, and I'm hoping that it would be a hit with everybody. 5 eggs, here's 1, 2, 3. Everybody count with me. Haha. 4, 5. Okay. So I got my 5 eggs going on in here. Okay. I put this down. Okay, guys, it's gonna get a bit noisy. Sorry. My sugar. So let that mix pretty well. So I'll be back in a second, guys. Okay, guys, so I just put the sugar and the 5 eggs together, and now I'm going to be adding my oil, 1 cup of oil. Okay. Then I'm going to be adding my 1/2 cup of fresh orange juice. Okay, let it keep going. Then I'm going to add my orange zest. So see guys, I took the orange and I took the skin out with my little zester that I have. And I'm just going to put that in here. Okay, I'm going to put a tablespoon of baking powder, okay? Let it do its thing there. And then as it's turning, I'm going to slowly put flour in here, guys. My 2 cups of flour. Now, the type of flour can be important because sometimes when you put the flour in, your cake doesn't rise as good. And I want to show you the type of flour that I'm using right now. Okay, so come over here. This I found in the Middle Eastern market, but maybe if you find it somewhere else, make sure it says the self-rising flour. That really helps the cake to look nice and fluffy and pretty, okay, and doesn't flatten out. So this really does the good work. So this is my flour, my go-to flour. Even out for cake, if you make pancake, we could just use this too, okay? Alright, so this is mixing up and I'll be back in a sec. So I had a good mix out of it, and so I turned it off. As you can see in the bowl, you know, it got a little stuck around the edges. No big deal. I just got my spatula. I just give it a little nudge everywhere around it to make sure that everything is evenly mixed, okay? And you know, there's, if you look closely, there's the orange zest there too, okay? And then I'm just gonna give it another mix, and then that's about it, guys. So I'll be back. Okay guys, welcome back. So everything got really mixed well. I don't see any more flour in my mixture here. I'm just taking the extra stuff off of this, like the zest and everything, and just make sure I can get everything off, okay? So that's pretty good right there, okay? And so I got this as my baking dish, okay? You can use anything. I actually make cupcakes out of this mixture too, so you can do whatever you want with it, but I want to make it all nice and pretty with this design, so that's what I'm doing. And I got my baking Pam spray, baking cooking spray here, and I'm just gonna give it a okay, make sure you get all around here too, because it can get stuck there. I've had that issue before. Okay, and okay. So that's it, guys. So I'm gonna pour it in here, and then I'm going to put it in the oven for at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 350 Fahrenheit. It takes about 45 minutes to an hour. Just keep your eye on it, let it rise. Once you see that the top part is getting a little brown, what you can do is get your toothpick, put it in there and see if it's nice. If it comes out nice and clear, then it's ready to go. If you see crumbles and pieces of the cake stuck on the toothpick, that means that it's still not quite ready. Leave it there a little bit longer, but it usually takes about 45 minutes to an hour, okay? And I'll be back. See ya. Hello, I'm back. So here's my cake, okay guys? So it was in the oven for about 45 minutes, okay? And I just kept my eye on it, and I got my handy dandy toothpick here, okay? And I just poked it in. As you can see, it's nice and clear. There's no excess of the bread or anything on it, so it's of the cake, so it's ready to go, okay? And I took it out of the oven, I let it cool down, and you see I put the spray so it doesn't stick, so it has space around it, so that means that I can hopefully be able to flip it and it easily will come out, okay? So it's cooled off now. See, I can touch it, I'm not burning myself, okay? So I'm gonna go. Carrie, count with me. One, two, three. Ah, yeah, ha 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 ha. Go Orit, go Orit, go. Go Orit, go Orit, go. Okay guys, so look how nice it looks. Okay, so you see a little steam coming out. But this is really nice. You can get chocolate, melt it up and put it on this. First let it cool off more, obviously. But then put some chocolate on it, let it melt, make it all nice and pretty. You can get, you know, some, what is it? Anything. Put a
Frosting.
Frosting. Thank you, Gabby. Put frosting on it. Put some sprinkles on it. Whatever floats your boat. Again, this is something that's great if you need to have a potluck. Take it to a friend's house for Shabbat dinner. Want to take it for somebody. This is kid friendly. Your kids should like it. It tastes really yummy. You can actually make it with your kids, and it'll teach them about cooking and baking and everything like that. So thanks again for Sippy for sharing your recipe to us. And thank you so much, you guys, for watching my YouTube channel. And please subscribe, tell your friends, tell your family. I need to be spread out for other people to hear about me, okay? I appreciate your support and everything. I just want other people to know that I exist, okay? So thank you so much and have a great day. Bye.